Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in the channel, please like and subscribe my channel. आप लोग अगर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इस वीडियो में इससे पिछले वीडियो में 198 तक किया था, 198 क्वेश्चन किया था। उसके बाद से मैं 199 से आज करूँगा 400 तक, 200 क्वेश्चन करूँगा। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं 199 से। 199 में क्या हो? Which is the first country in the world to patent an invention by artificial intelligence system? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? साउथ अफ्रीका। Which state has recently won the AI Game Changer Award 2021? तेलंगाना। Recently on which date National Mountaineering Day was celebrated? 1st August. Recently who has become the new Prime Minister of Lebanon? New Prime Minister of Lebanon, Najib Mikati. Recently with which sports former Indian player Nandu Natekar has passed away at the age of 88? Badminton. Recently which country has become the first country in the world to approve the production of genetically modified golden rice? Philippines. Who has recently become the new commissioner of Delhi Police? Rakesh Asthana. This is also important. When is World Nature Conservation Day celebrated every year? 28 July. Recently who has become the new Chief Minister of Karnataka? This is also important. Baswa Raj Bommai. When is World Hepatitis Day celebrated every year? 28 July. Recently, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Nasir Kamal. Recently, which city has become the first city in India to start the Drink from Tap project? Puri, Odisha. Recently, Rampapa Temple, located in which of the has been included in UNESCO World Heritage Site? This is also important. Telangana. On which date the CAPF Raging Day is celebrated every year? 27 July. Which state government has recently announced to make disaster management a compulsory project in the field of education? Odisha. Recently who has become the Vice Chairman of Business Board of Indian Businessmen Abu Dhabi? Yusuf Ali. Which country's player Yang Can has won the first gold medal in Tokyo Olympics? China. Recently who has received the award for the best disabled player for the year 2019 in the Indian Sports Award? Pramod Bhagat. Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated every year across India on 26 July. At What is India's oldest student? Bhagirathi Amma passed away recently. 107 years. Recently, who has been given the AIFF Women Footballer of the Year 2020-21 award? Nagengom Baladevi. Recently, who has received the AIFF Men Footballer of the Year award 2020-21? Answer is Sandesh Jingan. When is the National Broadcasting Day celebrated every year across India? 23rd July. When is the World Brain Day celebrated every year? Brain Day by 22nd July. In which city the world's first 3D printed steel pedestrian bridge has opened? Amsterdam. Recently, who has become the new Prime Minister of Haiti? Ariel Henry. Which country has recently got the hosting of the Olympic Games for the year 2032? Australia. Recently, who has become the new president of Peru? Pedro Castillo. Recently, which institute has developed oxygen rationing device AMLEX to save oxygen? IIT Ropar. In which city has the central government recently decided to set up India's first Indian Heritage Institute? Noida. Recently, in which state IOC has announced to set up India's first green hydrogen plant? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, who has become the first state in India to issue educational document using blockchain technology? This is also important. Maharashtra. Recently, who has become the new managing director of SCL company? C. Vijay Kumar. Recently, which former goalkeeper has been given the Mohan Bagan Ratna Award posthumously? Shivaji Banerjee. When is the International Chess Day celebrated every year? 20th July. Recently, the government of India of which state has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Urja Yojana? Rajasthan. Recently, which Indian origin woman has become a solicitor of the US Department of Labor? Seema Nanda. Who has received the Best Film Award at the Cannes Film Festival 2021? Titan. Recently, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court has been renamed as Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. When is Nelson Mandela International Day celebrated? 18th July. According to the recently announced, which city will become India's first National Dolphin Research Center? Patna. Recently, famous personality Danish Siddiq has passed away. He was a journalist. When is the World International Day of Justice celebrated? 17th July. According to the recent announcement, in which city India first port taxi will run? Noida. Recently, Mamnoon Hussain, the former president of which country, has passed away? Pakistan. Who has recently become the first Gulf country to have an embassy in Israel? United Arab Emirates, UAE. Which state government has launched electric bike taxi scheme? Karnataka. Recently, the central government has increased the dearness allowance of central employee from 17% to what percent? 28%. In which city India first grain ATM has opened recently? Gurugram. When is the World Youth Skill Day celebrated every year? 15th July. Recently, NTPC has got approval to set up India's largest solar park in which state? Gujarat. Recently, who has become the first Indian to be elected as the judge of gymnastics in the Olympics? Deepak Kabra. According to the recently announced, which country has got the host of BWF Sudirman Cup of the year for the year 2023? China. According to the recently announced, which country has got the hosting of World Badminton Champion for the year 2026? India. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Nepal? Sher Bahadur Deva. Who has received the ICC Women Player of the Month Award for June 2021? Catherine Brunette, England. Who has received the ICC Men Player of the Month Award for June 21? Nicholas Puran, West Indies. Recently, the government of which state has announced to create a new department for the protection of faith and culture? Assam. Recently, with which sports Indian player Yaspal Sharma has passed away at the age of 66? Cricket. When is International Malala Day celebrated every year? 12th July. Recently, which country player Mahmood Allah Riyad has retired from Test cricket? Bangladesh. Recently, which team has won Euro Cup 2020 title? Italy. Which Indian origin player has recently won the junior single title at Wimbledon 2021? Samir Banerjee. Which team has recently won 2021 Copa America football tournament? Argentina. In which city India first private liquefied natural gas LNC plant has been inaugurated? Nagpur. When is World Population Day celebrated every year? 11th July. Recently, in which India first cryogenic song has been opened? Cryptogamic song. Dehradun. Which actress has recently launched a book titled The Pregnancy Bible? Kareena Kapoor Khan. Recently, who has won the Scripps National Spelling Bee competition for the year 2021? Zyla Avantgarde. Recently, Basil Rajapaksa has become the new finance minister of which country? Sri Lanka. Which country has recently built the highest ever 21.16 meter sand castle? Denmark. Recently, in which city of India Amazon has been established first digital center? Surat. Indian Army has recently named one of its firing range after which actress? Vidya Balan. Recently, who became the new education minister? Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Recently, the former Chief Minister of which state? Birbhadra Singh has passed away at the age of 87. Himachal Pradesh. Recently, Keshav Chandra Dutt, a former Indian player related to which sport, passed away at the age of 95. Hockey. When is World Chocolate Day celebrated every year? 7th July. Recently, the famous personality Dilip Kumar has passed away. What was he? Actor. Who has recently been appointed as the new governor of Karnataka by President Ramnath Kovind? Mandharu Dattatreya. Which country has recently launched a new satellite FY-3E for better weather forecasting? China. Who has recently been appointed as the new governor of Goa by President Ramnath Kovind? Mangubhai Chaghanbhai Patel. Mangubhai Chaghanbhai Patel. Recently, who has become the highest run scorer in women international cricket? Mithali Raj, India. Recently, who has become the first Indian women swimmer to qualify for the Olympics? Mana Patel. According to the recently announced, which Indian city will be the third largest cricket stadium in the world? Jaipur. The central government has recently increased the retirement age of LIC chairman to how much? 62 years. Recently, who has appointed as the new Lokyukt of Tripura? K.N. Bhattacharya. Recently, who has been chosen as the flag bearer of the Indian contingent for the Tokyo Paralympic Games? Devendra Jhajharia. Recently, who has become 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Pushkar Singh Dhami. Which country has recently been declared malaria-free by WHO? China. Recently, who has become the new Deputy Chief of Indian Air Force? Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Which Indian origin chess player has recently become the world's youngest grandmaster? Abhimanyu Mishra. When is National Chartered Account Day celebrated every year across India? 1st July. Which state has recently become the first rabies-free state of India? Goa. Recently, who has become the youngest cricketer to represent India in all formats? Shefali Verma. When is World Asteroid Day celebrated every year? 30th June. When is World Social Media Day celebrated every year? 30th June. Recently, who has been appointed as the new president of Indian Federation of United Nations Association? Shambhunath Srivastava. Recently, who has become the first Indian women cricketer to fail dop test? Ansula Rao. Recently, which modern missile has been successfully tested fired by India? Agni Prime. Who has recently been appointed as the head of its payment business in India by WhatsApp? Manesh Mahatme. Recently, who has become the new grievance officer of Twitter India? Jeremy Keshel. Who has been appointed as the new special director of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI)? Praveen Sinha. Recently, who has been awarded Fukuoka Grand Prize of Japan? P. Sainath. Recently, which state Ramgarh Visdhari Sanctuary has become the 52nd Tiger Reserve of India? Rajasthan. Ramgarh Visdhari Sanctuary. Where has recently been discovered a new species of frog, Euplexis? Kerala. Which day was celebrated on 29th June? National Statistics Day. Recently, which space agency has decided to appoint first disabled astronaut? ESA. According to the recently released report for the year 2021, which city has become the most expensive city in the world for workers? Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. Recently, who has become the new grievance officer of Facebook in India? Vinay Prakash. Which country has recently banned the advertisement of junk food on television? Britain. Recently, who has become the first Indian swimmer to enter Olympic A cut? Sajan Prakash. Which state got the first place in the Sustainable Development Gender Equality Index released by Niti Aayog? Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner (CVC) in place of Sanjay Kothari? Suresh N. Patel. Who has become the first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University? Karnam Malleswari. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Urja Yojana? Rajasthan. According to the recently released report, who has become the world's biggest donor in 100 years? Jamshedji Tata. Which of the following country has given the status of a valid currency in its country to Bitcoin? CI Salvador. Recently, who has become the brand ambassador of wearables category of OnePlus? Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been elected as the first women president of Football Association? Debbie Hewitt. In which state the world's first genetically modified rubber plant has been set up recently? Assam. Recently, which cricket team has won the first trophy of World Test Championship 2021? New Zealand. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Israel? Naftali Bennett. The government of which state has recently launched Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Yojana for the youth? Bihar. Which space agency has announced to send its first orbiter Envision to Venus? ESA. When is the International Olympic Day celebrated every year? 23rd June. Recently, who has become the first woman fighter pilot of Jammu and Kashmir to join IAF? First women fighter. Mavia Sudan. Who won the main titles of French Open 2021? Novak Djokovic. Who has been female winner of French Open 2021? For important sports, it's also important. Female winner of French Open 2021. Barbara Krejcikova. When is the International Widow Day? Widow Day celebrated every year. 23rd June. Recently, in which African country the city has to be evacuated due to eruption of volcano Nyiragongo. Republic of Congo. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Peace Index for the year 2021? 135 rank. This is very, very important. Global Peace Index 135 rank. Which country got the first place in the recently released Global Livability Index 2021? Auckland. Recently, who has been appointed the new Election Commissioner of India? Anup Chandra Pandey. Which of the following organizations has planned to build the world's longest undersea cable project? World's longest undersea cable project. Google. Who has become the first transgender athlete to participate in the Olympics? Laurel Howard. Which state film was given the Best Film Award at the 67th National Film Award? Arunachal Pradesh. When is the World Music Day celebrated every year? 21st June. The recently launched SAG project is related to which ministry? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. In which African country recently the army tried to overthrow the president and the prime minister by arresting them? Mali. Which Indian origin woman has won the European Inventor Award for the year 2021? Sumitra Mitra. Which bank has recently launched Kavach personal loan scheme? SBI Bank. Which organization has recently launched the country's first nano liquid urea? IPCO urea. Recently, who of Indian origin has become the first black justice in the Supreme Court of Canada? Black justice. Mahmood Jamal. Which state got the first place in the ranking of Anemia Free India Index 2020 to 21? Anemia Free Index. Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state has started a special pink booth for vaccination of women? This is also Uttar Pradesh. When is International Yoga Day celebrated every year? This is 21st June. Who is the author of the recently discussed book Home in the World? Professor Amartya Sen. On which river Dagmara hydroelectric project being constructed? Kosi River. When is World Refugee Day celebrated? Every year. World Refugee Day. (20th June). In which of the following countries has the first case of bird flu has been detected by a person infected with H1N1 strain? China. Recently, the first president of which country, Kenneth Kaunda, has passed away at the age of 97? Zambia. The government of which state has recently started a campaign named Johan Vote Vahan Vaccination? Jahan Vote Vahan Vaccination. Delhi. Recently, in which African country has the world's third largest diamond been found? Botswana. Recently, the famous person Milkha Singh has passed away. What was he? He is a runner. Recently, which state government has announced to set up Vedic Education and Sanskar Board in the state? Rajasthan. Recently, the Hing Patakai Wildlife Sanctuary has been declared as National Park of which state? Assam. Which of the Indian economists has been honored with Spain's highest honor, Princess of Asturias Award? Amartya Sen. With which country India recently organized corporate exercise? Thailand. According to the recently released report, which country has received the highest foreign direct investment in India in 2020 to 21? Singapore. Who has been appointed as the director in WTO mission to India recently? Ashish Chandorkar. Recently, NASA announced to send the first mobile robot to the moon by 2023. What is the name of this robot rover? Bipod. Recently, who of Indian origin has become the new chairman of Microsoft? Satya Nadella. Which country has named the cyclone Yas, which hit the Bay of Bengal recently? Oman. In which of the following states the country first electric vehicle city will be developed? Gujarat. What is the rank of India in the recently released World Donor Index report for the year 2021? World Donor Index. 14th. Namaste Yoga app has been launched by which of the following ministry? Ministry of Ayush. Recently, who has been appointed as the ordinary member of WHO Global Air Pollution and Health Technical Advisory Group? Mukesh Sharma. Yuva Shakti Corona Mukt Abhiyan is an initiative of which state government? Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the President of National Human Rights recently? NHRC. Arun Kumar Mishra. When is World Wind Day celebrated every year? 50th June. Which of the following Indian was awarded the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021? Nitin Rakesh. Recently, who has received ICC Player of the Month Award for May 2021? G. Root, England. Recently, the famous actor of which film Sanchari Vijay has been passed at the age of 38? Kannad. Where was the 31st formal meeting of NATO summit held on June 14, 2021? Belgium. Recently, who has become the brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solution? Akshay Kumar. Recently, which country has announced to launch world first wooden satellite? New Zealand. When is World Blood Donor Day celebrated every year? 14th June. Recently, who has become the new Director General of United Nations Organization on Trade and Development? Rebecca Greenspan. Which Indian origin journalist has recently received the award in Pulitzer Prize for the year 2021? Megha Rajagopalan. This is also important. The 47th G7 summit was organized on 12 to 13 June. Which country presided over it? Britain. When is the World Child Labor Prohibition Day celebrated every year? 12th June. Recently, who has become the Vice President and Director in India French defense company Thales? Ashish Saraf. Which country hosted the recently held P4G summit 2021? South Korea. Recently, who has become the new Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court? Justice Muneshwar Nath Bhandari. Recently, who has become the first woman president of the English Football Association? Debbie Hewitt. Which state is related to Bannerghatta National Park was discussed recently? Karnataka. Recently, who has been appointed by the social media company Facebook as its grievance officer in India? Spurti Priya. For which planet the US Space Agency NASA has announced to launch 2 robotic missions for the year 2028 to 30? Venus. With which state Ramona Forest Reserve is related, which discussed recently? Amas. The environmental status report for India was released recently, in which India got which position? 117. The World Health Organization has named the variant of corona identified in India. Both A and B, also Delta and Kappa. Who has become the new CEO of HSBC India recently? Hitendra Dev. Yuva PM Yojana is an initiative of which ministry? Ministry of External Affairs. When is World Ocean Day celebrated every year? 8th June. Recently, who has become the next chairman of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? Sanjeev Nandan Sahai. Which country has decided to withdraw from the Open Sky Treaty in June 2021? Russia. With which institution the government of India has signed a loan agreement of $200 million for the National Nutrition Mission? World Bank. When is World Food Safety Day celebrated every year? On 7th June. Recently, who has been appointed complaint officer of the messaging? So, in this video up to 396 we have done. In the next part from 397 we have done in part 3 of the video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press like button. Thank you.